Hey buddy! If you want these quirky info videos to pop up in your eyes like a circus show, then subscribe to our channel, and give that bell icon a solid whack. When we engage in sex, there's a bad odor coming from my vagina. Neither I nor my husband have any bad habits. So why this foul smell?
The reason for the bad odor from the vagina is an infection inside it. If hygiene isn't maintained around the genital area, an infection can easily occur. In your case, that's likely what happened. If you see a doctor and get treatment, the infection and the odor will subside. You've mentioned that during sex, a bad odor comes from your vagina, and neither you nor your husband have any bad habits. It's natural to feel concerned about this, but it's likely due to a health issue rather than anything related to bad habits. A foul smell from the vagina can be a common symptom in women, and the primary cause is often an infection inside the vagina. The vagina naturally contains some moisture and bacteria, maintaining a healthy balance. However, sometimes this balance gets disrupted, leading to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria or yeast, which causes an infection. This can result in symptoms like a bad odor, itching, or unusual discharge. Common infections include bacterial vaginosis (BV), yeast infections, or sexually transmitted infections (STIs). Even if you and your husband don't have bad habits, factors like hygiene, hormonal changes, or other reasons could trigger an infection. The odor might stem from poor hygiene like sweat or bacteria accumulating around the genital area. However, it's not always just about personal cleanliness. Wearing tight clothes, hormonal imbalances, antibiotic use, or a weakened immune system can also contribute to infections. The fact that the smell is more noticeable during sex suggests an issue with the internal vaginal environment. To resolve this, you should consult a gynecologist. The doctor will examine your symptoms and, if needed, test your vaginal discharge to identify the type of infection. For instance, bacterial vaginosis might require antibiotics, while a yeast infection needs antifungal medication. Once treatment is complete, the infection and odor will go away. Additionally, take some precautions at home. Clean the genital area daily with mild soap. Wear cotton underwear, and clean up after sex. If the odor comes with itching, burning, or strange discharge yellow or green, it could be an STI like trichomoniasis. Even if your husband has no bad habits, it's wise for both of you to see a doctor and get tested, as some infections can be asymptomatic. However, whether it's an STI or a common infection, treatment will solve the problem. If this odor is affecting your married life, discuss it openly with your husband. Explain that it's a health issue with a solution. Don't delay seeing a doctor so you can quickly overcome this and continue a happy life. With hygiene and treatment, the bad odor will completely disappear.